SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to remove Sent from My iPhone on iPhone 15 Pro. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you've never changed the signature setting for the email accounts on your iPhone, then you might have found the emails you send from your device are including a Sent from My iPhone signature at the end. If you no longer wish to include this signature or any signature, or if you simply want to change it to something else, then you can edit the signature by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Mail option from this menu, and then you can scroll down again until you find the Signature option. Now you just need to select that, which should take you to a screen that looks something like this. If you have multiple email accounts on your phone and you have different signatures for each of those accounts, then this per account option is going to be selected instead. But if you only have one account, or if you have the All Accounts option selected, then the current signature should be shown in this text field. If you'd like to remove this signature entirely, then you can just tap inside this field and then tap the backspace button until the signature is gone. And if you don't want to have any signature at all, then you can just tap the Mail button at the top left and go back. If you want to still include a signature, then you can type in that signature now. Or if you have multiple accounts and you want to have different signatures for each of those accounts, then you can choose the per account option here, and then you can tap inside the signature field under each individual account to set the individual signatures for those accounts as well.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.